Welcome to U-Wrench. Today we're back working on the Mark 5 Grand Caravan. The same applies for the Chrysler Town & Country. And in this video we're going to be showing you how to replace your power liftgate control module. When it comes to these power liftgates, it's fairly obvious that the motor is in this section right here, but it's not quite as obvious where the control module is located. That's exactly what we're going to show you in this video. So the control module for your power liftgate is actually located on the left hand side of the vehicle. Behind this panel, this is the panel that contains your jack. So let's get this panel out of the way. It's got these two little kind of round discs. Turn them so they're both facing upward. Give it a bit of a pull there at the top. And just lift out the little tabs at the bottom there. So we've now got our jack in here. So let's get this out of the way so we can see what we're doing. And inside your compartment here, you've probably got this this bit of carpet here. Sits across the back. Just going to pull that down, get that out of the way. With that carpet out of the way, we can see the power liftgate module right here. So this black unit is exactly what we need to remove. As we can see on our module here, we've got these three electrical connectors across the bottom. And then what we've actually got holding it in is a little clip here. It's not a screw, it's a clip. And on the other side there's like a metal bracket, and this unit has like a little plastic tab on it that goes through a little slot on here. So it's usually easier to remove the clip and be able to manipulate the module and then remove the connectors. So if you grab this left hand side where this clip is, just gently pull it forward, that clip will pop out. And then if you give it a little bit of a wiggle just to detach the other side, that's this little plastic tab that I mentioned. That sits in a little slot just at the back there. Now with this lifted up, we can grab these three connectors and just get these removed. So as we can see, that is our power liftgate module removed from the car and ready to be swapped over with a brand new one. And obviously when you come to replace this, it's dead simple. Turn that upside down, pop your three power connectors back in, and once those are in, your little tab here goes into that slot that we have at the back there. I'm going to do that first, and then this little clip on the other side goes into the hole and snaps in. And so that's how you change your power liftgate module. If this video has been helpful for you, you can take 1 second out of your busy schedule just before you leave us. Just be sure to hit that like button for us. Likewise, please do consider subscribing. We've got loads more great Grand Caravan content on our YouTube channel just waiting for you to check out. We appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.